Hello everyone! 30 seconds later I will show you what I'm carrying in my bag. But some of you also were curious how was our holidays in Sweden. So here is a short sneak peek. Back to the bag. Here is my favorite summer bag with all those pockets. It has a good size for me, as I like when after I put my things into it, there is still some air left. This bag is from Italian brand Cromia, and I believe I have it for 6 years now, but it wears nicely and kept fairly good shape. My camera probably doesn't show it right, but it's dandelion yellow. Because it's soft, it collapses very quickly when put on the surface, so I got an insert organizer. I like to wear it on my hand or in my hand. Did you ever wonder how heavy is your bag? Mine makes 2 kilos. So let's check it out why. In front pockets I'm holding the most exciting equipment, like shopping cart talking or package of hankies for my often pouring nose. I also have this old-fashioned bag holder from our favorite pizzeria. They were donated the same to all the ladies when pizzeria opened first, so I always have their number in my pocket. There are even more pockets inside, but I found them too shallow for my needs. I have to tell I'm not wearing sunglasses only when it rains. I got those for my birthday last year. I think that the round shape fits my face the best, so all my glasses look similar. I also have a pocket magnifier in my bag. It takes up way less space than the reading glasses. Like many of us, I am carrying a tiny bottle of hand sanitizer. Mine has a fresh lavender scent and is gentle with hands. I'm also always carrying this lucky reusable shopping bag, so I don't have to collect another bag from the shop. What I love about it is that it's feather light and has a pocket inside, perfect for storing the change or the cover pouch so it doesn't get lost. My phone, it's very special to me because I began my YouTube channel filming and editing on it. Nevertheless, I dropped it like 352 times or so, and it got a crack in the corner, but the phone is functioning like nothing happened and I can still watch my favorite YouTube channels. Like for instance the local project. House keys with cork keyring. Once I had my key slipped into a narrow slot and it wasn't funny at all. Since then I'm always having very bulky attachment on them. And on those days when I'm driving somewhere, I also have a car key. And this silicone pouch is initially meant for the soap, but I have my small first aid kit in it. How you organize your bag? Leave me a comment. I got it from the local organic shop. Oh, and this is just in time. My wallet is small, but it contains everything. My bank and identity cards, driver's license. I'm usually carrying some cash for parking or for when we are going to Germany because the card readers often are out of order in that country. I always have with me my blood group card and a donor card. Some small bits and pieces I organized in pencil case, so it's simpler to find them. I don't know how about you, but I am getting very easily irritated about my chipped nails. So I got a file with very practical holder. I am addicted to the lip balm. I have one in bedroom, two in the car, and this one in my bag. It has good ingredients like aloe vera, beeswax and shea butter, and makes click when closing. Clicks making me happy. So click on this like button and subscribe for more. No matter how often you saw me in my videos with the lipstick on, in the real life I'm barely wearing it. And it's only because I want it to stay perfect and I hate fixing it. But sometimes I'm carrying this red lipstick from Chanel together with matching lip liners. Put some color on those cheekbones. I want her to notice. And this giant stick can be used for lips, cheeks and eyeshadows. I don't notice. Oh my, on the wrist it looks like an evidence of domestic violence. Never mind. Nothing is lasting forever. Also, my microblading is fading away. And I'm feeling more confident having a pencil for quick fix, so I don't look like potato. I had a thyroidectomy 5 years ago, and afterwards my voice is often breaking. Trust me, the voiceovers are always the most challenging for me. And those steps helping for fix it. This one tastes like soapy black currant, but it's very efficient and it does exactly what it says. Yet another balm in Click Clack tin box is Argan Body Butter, orange blossom scented. I think I like the package the most, because you have to smash the top to open it. It's like another level of popping the bubble wrap. And in this small cream container, I'm keeping spare earrings for have some alternative if I won't go more fancy. Funny, I thought those were the flowery hearts when I bought them in Lisbon first. Clean and dry socks, just in case. And very last but very important thing in my bag is this removable organizer. My bag came without inside dividers, so no matter how carefully I'm organizing my things in the bag, at the end of the day there looks like after the landslide. So organizer prevents landslide inside the bag and keeps bag itself in shape. It's lightweight with numerous compartments and also versatile because of removable part, and it can travel from bag into a bag with all in this. So here are my all 2 kilos that I'm carrying in my bag. How heavy is your bag? It wraps my today's video. I hope you were enjoying. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go and smash this notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg, and see you in the next one. Eddie!